Hello, my name is Stuart, and I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today I'm in the North Seattle neighborhood. This is September 3rd. It's a beautiful day. Here's a front lawn that I have just thatched. I thatched just about 3 times, and then I aerated, seeded, and fertilized it. I aerated this several times, actually, went over it. And the grass seed I put on here was a 60-40, a perennial ryegrass to fescue. Mix is what I put on it. This is a good quality grass seed that they use on a private golf course fairway, and then I used a 60% slow release starter fertilizer on here. I also added, let me think here, I put on some limestone here, enhanced limestone. I also applied a wetting agent, and this property, this tired old lawn is growing on just some really hard clay. And so basically the wetting agent is going to allow the water to move through the soil profile and the grass seed to develop roots, and it'll uniformly move through the soil. That's what this wetting agent is designed to do. This one is designed to be used with lawn aeration. They complement each other. And then on top of all that, I put on a bag of my soil amendment, and that has zeolite in there and a whole bunch of minerals and other organics in there, and just to jumpstart and repair the soil. The soil is in such poor condition here underneath this lawn. It sits in the sun and bakes all year long and then drowns all winter, and that's how this lawn has survived for a while. And so I'm going to try to come back in about a month's time and see how this looks. This is very early fall, and this is one of my test lawns here, and clients hired me and they know it. They'll be watering twice a day, 20 minutes a time, and let's just see what happens here. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company at lawntuneups.com. Thanks for watching my video. Hello, bye. My name is Stuart. I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. And today I'm on Aaron's lawn, and this is a lawn that I had previously thatched, aerated, seeded, fertilized. I put on a wetting agent because this is a clay-based soil. It was just repelling water. I put on some amendment there to help repair the clay base. Today is September 24th, and I originally did the work September 3rd. I'd just like to show you how this how it's coming along here. I have got some spots in here that are still filling in. Seed is still germinating in here, and but it's really, this lawn is really beginning to come along now in the last week or so, and I'm really liking how this is beginning to look here. Just it was not looking good at all there for a while. I mean, when I first got here and I was looking at the soil, it was, yeah, this lawn was having a lot of problems. So this is Stuart with the Aerating and Thatching company, and I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you. Bye-bye.